Hey folks, temperatures cooling off nicely tonight across most of the valley, down to 70 already in Harlingen, while McAllen and Rio Grande City both still at 80. But the humidity's still down a bit. It's working its way back upward, and it'll go up the next couple of days, but still a comfortable night tonight. Here are the dew points, and notice the map is more green than it's been. That's a sign the dew points are coming back up. 56 to 65 is the range across the area. We'll put about 60 as an average on the muggy meter, so we're going from comfortable up onto the low end of muggy. And by the end of the week, we're going to be back up here in the mid-70s again, so back to summer-like levels. So enjoy tonight and early tomorrow. In the morning, temperatures may drop into the upper 60s in a few places, other places staying about 70 or so under clear skies. Those are your overnight lows. And then tomorrow it's hot, 98 in Weslaco, Edinburgh, 99 McAllen and Rio Grande City, 93 to 96 across the I-69E corridor, and then 87 at the coast tomorrow. This time of year, our average high is 93. That's a 30-year average for the date. And you look, we're going to be above that at 99, 99, and 100 on Friday. All those pushing records. So we'll see if we set a record for heat before this week's over with. Our satellite over the region tonight shows absolutely nothing. Very quiet. Humidity's low, and again, stay that way for just a few more hours. By tomorrow afternoon, the low humidity is gone. By tomorrow night, we're going definitely back to higher humidity. And you take a look as we go into Thursday, it's just a lot of sunshine. No real chance of rain, no big push of cool air. Instead, it just stays hot. And it'll stay that way until we get something to change it. And right now, nothing on the map to bring us any changes. So we just stay dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday again, and probably beyond that with a slight chance for a shower or two by the second half of the weekend, and then you're only looking at about 10%. Look at the high clouds that are coming back down into Texas as the remnants of Irma kind of move to the northeast, but the leftover real high clouds are covering the eastern part of the state. They're not rainmakers, but they are enough to make the sky white instead of blue during the daytime. A couple of those clouds could reach this far south, but for the most part, we're not going to see much. Tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, just more humidity as a southeasterly wind kicks in. And again, no major weather systems coming this way, so we just stay warm and humid. There's a hurricane, Jose, still hanging out there. Nice to look at it and say it's not threatening anybody. The winds are 75. It makes a loop around in the Atlantic and then eventually turns back to the northeast. The model's pretty much in agreement tonight. That's not going to make it to land. So at the coast, here's what's going on. Temperatures warm quickly to the 80s tomorrow. Southeasterly winds, UV's extreme. The rip current risk is still high. Your surf temperature at 80 right now. Here are the tides. Starts with a high at midnight tonight, then a low at 322 tomorrow afternoon. So our low tonight will be about 69 degrees. Variable winds, relatively light. Then tomorrow back up to 99, mostly sunny skies. Looks like a nice day. Just a little warmer and a little more humid than it was today. How often do you say 99 looks like a nice day, right? Same thing on Thursday and 100 on Friday. And you look at the weekend, there, the 95 and the 94. Those look pretty nice. And I think even Saturday.
We may be a lot better.
Yeah, we may be a little cool on that number for Saturday, but still in the 90s all the way through the forecast period. And the nighttime lows, that's what you look at to see how humid it is. If those numbers are in the 60s, it's pretty comfortable. But they're in the mid-70s, and that's July-like. Yes. So the warm, humid weather's on its way back.
A whole lot of heat, no rain.
No rain at all in sight. About a 5% chance early next week, but even that, again, not much.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thanks so much, Tim. Okay, Joelle, big volleyball match happening in Edinburgh, right?